In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount with Deliveroo. This is a discount method you can use every single time you order on Deliveroo, so make sure you stick around to the end in order to find out how. You don't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but what you will need to do is go to a website called TopCashback, and you can find the link below in the description. TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that provides cashback discounts on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of general things you can buy online are listed here, such as flights, hotels, and including getting cash back off of all your Deliveroo takeaways as well. And that also includes other things like Uber Eats and Just Eat. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come across a landing page that looks like this. So from here, you just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign-up bonus as well. So click the link below, and once you've done that, we can then go through step by step on how to get your discount for Deliveroo. So once you've signed up, you should come across this home dashboard here. So because we want Deliveroo, we'll just go ahead and search for it at the top. And as you can see here, Deliveroo give you 11% cash back as a new customer and also 1% as an existing customer. So the way this works is Deliveroo through TopCashback will basically give you a kickback off of every single Deliveroo takeaway you order. And since it was money you were going to spend anyway, it's essentially just getting free money off of all your Deliveroo orders. So it's certainly something worth doing, especially if you order off Deliveroo regularly. You can see how it can add up over time. But anyway, moving on to the fun part, claiming your cash back for Deliveroo is very simple. If you're ready to make the purchase, you'll just want to go ahead and click on the red button that says get up to 11% cash back. This will then pull you through to the Deliveroo website, where you'll then just want to go ahead and make your order. And again, it doesn't matter who you make the order with, the process is the same no matter what. But what you must make sure of is you must make the order through the same tab that TopCashback opens up, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cash back off of Deliveroo. And then once you've made the order, providing you've done everything right, you can then just sit back and wait for your takeaway. In the meantime, in the next 10-20 minutes, you should get an email off of TopCashback to say that your order has been tracked and is now eligible for cashback. Then once you get that email, you can then sign back into your TopCashback account. Go up to account here, select on earnings, and then it should tell you how much cashback you're due to be paid back from your recent Deliveroo purchase. And again, you can do this as many times as you want. So if you order off Deliveroo regularly, perhaps maybe every week, you can see how this can add up over time. But overall, that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.